Gasps filled the Las Vegas courtroom as the judge announced the final verdict. Overcome by the weight of his sentence, Austin Chumlee Russell collapsed in shock, leaving the courtroom stunned. This dramatic moment underscored the intense emotions surrounding the case. But what led to this explosive legal battle between the beloved reality TV star and the justice system? Chumlee, a star on Pawn Stars for over a decade, became one of reality television's most entertaining figures. Known for his comedic timing and relaxed personality, he brought authenticity to the show. While his TV career featured memorable moments, such as purchasing a pinball machine and showcasing expertise in video games, his influence reached beyond television. He transformed from a regular pawn shop worker into a cultural icon, with a successful personal brand and contributions to the collectibles market. Chumlee's initial role on Pawn Stars was as comic relief, but he quickly rose above this stereotype by developing expertise in specific collectibles, earning recognition as a key member of the cast. His natural charm and authenticity made him a fan favorite, cementing his status as a breakout star. What set him apart was his deep connection with audiences, making him one of the most relatable figures in reality TV. His success extended beyond television into business ventures like a candy shop, a clothing line, and personal appearances, which generated millions. This financial success played a crucial role when shocking charges emerged, shaking his loyal fan base. Meanwhile, Pawn Stars continued to thrive, with over 500 episodes and international syndication. However, Chumlee's rise to fame came with its challenges, leading to a stark contrast between his public persona and private struggles. By the mid-2010s, the contrast between Chumlee's professional success and personal excess had grown. His extravagant lifestyle, filled with luxury cars, a mansion, and a massive collection of sneakers, became more prominent on social media. While Pawn Stars attracted millions of viewers, Chumlee's personal brand expanded, leading to the launch of his candy store and a successful merchandise line. However, the pressures of sudden fame began to take a toll on him, as he admitted in a 2017 interview. In March 2016, Chumlee's world came crashing down when police raided his Las Vegas home as part of a sexual assault investigation. What they discovered during the search led to additional charges. Authorities found drugs, guns, and drug paraphernalia, an image completely at odds with the fun-loving personality fans knew. The discovery sparked widespread media attention, with many fans in disbelief over the stark contrast between his public image and personal life. The raid led to felony charges, including drug and weapon possession, carrying potential prison sentences of up to 20 years. The case also threatened to destroy his carefully constructed public image, which was central to his career and financial success. The charges sent shockwaves through the entertainment industry, with many predicting the end of his reality TV career. Court documents revealed the extent of the discoveries, including assault-style weapons and illegal substances, painting a troubling picture. While the sexual assault investigation did not result in charges due to insufficient evidence, prosecutors argued that Chumlee's lifestyle posed unacceptable public safety risks. The trial began with a tense atmosphere. As Chumlee entered the courtroom, his somber expression was captured by flashing cameras. His Pawn Stars colleagues were visibly upset as they watched the unfolding legal drama. The prosecutor laid out the serious charges in the opening argument, revealing the weapons and illegal substances found in Chumlee's home. Cross-examination intensified the proceedings, with Chumlee's attorney questioning the evidence. Tensions rose when discussions about the firearm surfaced, and the defense suggested that Chumlee was merely an avid collector, not involved in drug distribution. Chumlee appeared visibly distressed as the trial progressed, signaling the gravity of his situation. Legal experts weighed in on the potential sentencing. Former prosecutor James Wilson stated, "These charges typically result in significant prison time. The combination of firearms and controlled substances creates a severe legal situation." The defense emphasized Chumlee's lack of a criminal record and his celebrity status, suggesting that fame blurred his boundaries. "My client became trapped in a cycle of excess that impaired his judgment," his attorney explained, stressing that Chumlee never intended harm and had been a respected public figure. As the trial neared its end, fans closely followed the proceedings. This was not just a legal battle, but the possible downfall of a beloved television star. Plea negotiations became a focal point, with both sides discussing potential resolutions. The stakes were high, with Chumlee's freedom at risk and the possibility of a lengthy prison sentence looming. His career and reputation were on the line, with financial damage estimated in the millions. On the final day, crowds gathered outside the courthouse, some showing support with signs and Pawn Stars merchandise. Inside, the atmosphere was tense as Judge Michael Davidson prepared to deliver the sentence. After reviewing the plea agreement, the judge announced, "The defendant has pleaded guilty to 1 felony weapons charge and 1 misdemeanor drug charge. The remaining charges have been dismissed." The sentence included 3 years of probation, counseling, regular drug testing, and the forfeiture of all seized items. The most shocking condition: any violation would result in an automatic 3-year prison sentence. Chumlee stood with trembling hands as the judge continued listing the terms. Sweat formed on his forehead as he absorbed the weight of the decision. He was also sentenced to 200 hours of community service. However, as the judge spoke, Chumlee collapsed. A gasp filled the courtroom, and security rushed to his aid. Paramedics quickly arrived, and it was determined that he had suffered a panic attack. The moment was captured by photographers and became a headline. Outside, Pawn Stars star Rick Harrison briefly checked on Chumlee, and concerned fans gathered, sharing their support. The medical emergency quickly overshadowed the legal verdict. Entertainment outlets and social media erupted, with fans posting messages using hashtags like #ChumleeStrong and #PawnStarsFamily. 3 days later, Chumlee posted a video from home, still shaken but smiling. He acknowledged the impact of his actions and admitted, "I need to make better choices." Executives at the History Channel expressed support for Chumlee's return to the show once he recovered. Some saw his legal troubles as an opportunity for a redemption arc. Though no specific plans were confirmed, Chumlee's next public statement was more serious. "I made mistakes that could have cost me everything," he admitted. "I'm grateful for this second chance, and I promise my fans I won't waste it." His words sparked discussions about redemption in reality TV. Fans flooded forums with messages of support for his return. When asked about his future, Chumlee responded, "My priority right now is getting healthy and making better decisions." Despite the drama, interest in Pawn Stars remained high, with fans eager to see Chumlee back on screen. The courtroom drama reminded viewers of the dangers of fame and how it can impact personal judgment. His collapse